Ethical eating means thinking about where our food comes from. It means caring about the animals and the environment. When we make ethical choices, we make a difference. Every bite counts. We vote with our forks. Choosing ethical food supports sustainable farming. It promotes animal welfare. It helps protect our planet. For a delicious and ethical burger, you have two great choices: grass-fed beef or plant-based patties. Each option offers unique benefits and can cater to different dietary preferences and ethical considerations. Both options can be healthy and environmentally friendly, depending on how they are sourced and prepared. Grass-fed beef comes from cows that graze freely on pastures, which can be better for animal welfare and the environment. This meat is leaner and contains healthy omega-3 fatty acids, which are beneficial for heart health. Look for beef from local farms that practice sustainable grazing, as this supports local economies and reduces carbon footprints. Plant-based patties are made from a variety of vegetables, grains and legumes, offering a diverse range of flavors and textures. They are packed with fiber and nutrients, which can aid in digestion and overall health. Choose patties made with organic ingredients and minimal processing to ensure you're getting the healthiest option available. Whether you prefer grass-fed beef or plant-based patties, both can be part of a balanced and ethical diet. Let's make some ethical burgers. Today we'll walk you through the process of making delicious and sustainable burgers from scratch. Whether you prefer beef or plant-based options, we've got you covered. If you choose grass-fed beef, ask your butcher to grind chuck roast for a juicy burger. Grass-fed beef is not only healthier but also more environmentally friendly. Season the beef simply with salt and pepper. This allows the natural flavors of the meat to shine through without being overpowered by other spices. Form patties that are about ½ inch thick. This thickness ensures that the burgers cook evenly and remain juicy on the inside. For plant-based patties, follow the instructions on the package. These alternatives are great for those looking to reduce their meat consumption without sacrificing flavor. You can add your own flavors like chopped onions, garlic, or herbs. Customizing your patties with these ingredients can elevate the taste and make your burgers unique. Heat a grill pan or skillet over medium heat. Preheating ensures that the patties cook evenly and develop a nice crust. Add a little oil to prevent sticking. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect sear on your patties. Cook the patties for 3 to 4 minutes per side or until cooked through. Make sure to flip them gently to keep them intact. Enjoy your ethical and delicious burgers. Now for the fun part, toppings. This is where you can really let your creativity shine and make your burger unique. Get creative and use fresh seasonal ingredients. Slice ripe tomatoes, crisp lettuce and other fresh vegetables. The fresher the ingredients, the better the taste. Don't forget the red onions, which add a nice crunch and a bit of spice. Pickles bring a tangy flavor, while avocado adds a creamy texture that's simply irresistible. And let's not overlook sprouts. They not only add flavor and texture, but also pack a nutritional punch. Arrange your toppings in a way that makes your burger look as good as it tastes. Choose buns made with whole grains. Whole grain buns are not only healthier, but also add a nutty flavor that complements the toppings. Toast them lightly for a crispy texture. A lightly toasted bun can make all the difference, adding a satisfying crunch to every bite. Serve your ethical burgers with a side of oven-baked sweet potato fries or a fresh salad. These sides not only taste great, but also keep your meal balanced and nutritious. Enjoy your guilt-free indulgence. Remember, every choice matters. By choosing ethical ingredients and preparing your food with care, you are making a statement. You're showing that delicious food can also be responsible and sustainable. You can enjoy delicious meals while making a positive impact on the world. So go ahead, savor every bite, and know that you're doing good. Bon appetit!